Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Love what you drive. We have another unboxing and a review right in front of us. I want to thank Caddy7873 on Instagram and Autoone for sending me this unit. And I also want to mention that this is not a paid promotion or a sponsored video by Autoone, Amazon, or any other third-party affiliates, but they were kind enough to send me this unit. So let's get into it. See what's in the box. This is the jump starter from Autoone. JS02 is the model number. It's a jump starter, a power bank, and an LED light. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's in there. The packaging kind of gives you a brief down of what's going on. It's Autoone JS02 jump starter. For capacity is 44.4 watt hours. Start voltage 12 volt. It's got a USB-C in and out, USB-C output 3.0, USB-C output 2.1, and the DC output. Just your typical box. Comes in this Kevlar or whatever this is casing with the label and the logo on here. Let's take a look at what's inside. Alright, so we got instructions, quick guide instructions. Tells you how to connect it, set it up, what all the functions are. Now it's got the cables. Okay. It's got a charging cable, which is a USB and a Type-C. And nice little case. And the unit itself. Now compared to my iPhone 13, this is the size of it. It's not too big. That's where it's at. Okay, now the functions are, so it's got this is where you would plug in this unit. The good part is about this is that there's only one way you can plug it in, so there's no way of messing it up. Boom, plugged in. Power button. Push it once, it's on. Push and hold, you got the flashlight. Push again, you got the flasher. Push again, you got a third flasher. Push and hold, turns it off. You got the one where it will power up, the in and out. Type-C style charger. And you got two USB ports that are here. Output 2 and output 1. One is the faster charging one. So the USB-C is to charge it, and the USB is charge the phone. Okay, let's see what the functions are of this unit. It's got a 3-light LED flasher with 3 modes, a strobe mode, SOS mode, and a flashlight mode. It's also got a power bank with a 3.0 output and a regular USB output, jump starter port, and a Type-C input output. So this thing is small, lightweight. It's just a little bit over a pound of weight. Now let's go see outside how it performs. Hey Guys, so I do have this 2005 Crown Vic project car that I've been doing some maintenance on and work, and we're gonna go ahead and put this Autoone jump starter box to the test. Okay. Nothing. Completely dead. Now I'm gonna go ahead and hook this up. Very simple. Put that in here. Only one way to put it in. Like so. Now this thing does have instructions. If it's blinking, the jumper cable connected to the jump starter is ready to connect to the car battery. So that's what it's doing right now. Right here there's a green light, it's blinking. Then the bright green, all connection is right, start the engine. If it's flashing green, the connection is timed out. Please reconnect to the positive and negative poles of the car. If it's blinking bright red, jump starter power is low, please recharge. If it's beeping, reverse polarity connection, please reconnect correctly. So it gives you these warnings and everything that you don't mess up the jump starting process. So we do have it hooked up. We're going to go ahead and hook these up. Negative to negative. Like so. Positive to positive. Okay. Now it just clicked on. You can hear it clicking. That means there is power going through this unit, and it's just on very brightly. So we're gonna go ahead and crank the engine. All right guys, there you go. We just started up this 05 Crown Vic project car with the Autoone jump starter, JS02 model number. Let's go check out the flashlight of this in a completely dark room. Now the final feature of this Autoone jump starter, the flashlight. We are in my laundry room, completely dark, no windows. I'm gonna go ahead and push the power button. Wow, look at this. Look how bright that is. I'm gonna turn it off. Complete darkness. This is nice and bright, actually. Look at that. Very nice, very bright. And then you have the SOS feature. And then just rapid blinking. There you have it. Let's turn the light on. Alright guys, this was the Autoone JS02 jump starter box. Comes in a case. Comes with the USB outputs to charge. That DC in and out to charge this unit, DC output. Nice nifty little piece. Definitely compact, portable, could be a good gift, can be a good just for your own self. I'll leave the link in the description below where you can pick this up and just throw it in your car and never have battery problems again, whether that's at night, during the day, or wherever you're at. See you guys in the next one.